Good morning guys, bro Kadex TV here. Welcome to my YouTube video. How you guys doing? I'm doing fantastic. I hope you guys too. So today's the day I've been waiting for. Today's the big moment for the Z. We're gonna install the steering wheel with the carbon fiber customized by Jalisco's carbon fiber at Instagram. Thank you for that. Okay, let's go. Let's begin the video. First, we need to unscrew this. Let's do it. I will show you how to do it. Alright, so now I'm inside the car. But before we take up work on this one, we need to unplug the battery, negative pole. Alright, let's do this. We go to the front. Go, the engine bay, 370Z Nismo. This is the battery. Alright, we need to unscrew that with the 10mm. Let's unscrew this. Boom. Okay, put it like that. Now we go back inside. Let's do it. So we already unplugged the battery. Now we need to work on this one. So first we need to take off this clip, just like that. There is one each in the other side, like that. Now we can access the inside. Then we can take off that. Alright, let's do it. Guys, finally I got this one off. So I really recommend the better tool. All I have is this. It took me a while, but finally I got it. Yes! To the other side. There we go. After we unscrew that, so we're gonna take this one. Should be very easy. There we go. Here is the inside. So we need to plug this and that. That should be it. So we can take this wire out. Okay, in order to do that, we need the flathead. Yep. Okay, so we got the airbag come up. Just carefully place it here. Boom. And then we unclip this. Boom. We need to unscrew that, and the rest should be good. Come up. Okay, so let's do it. Boom. Like that. Okay. Ready? There we go. Okay, let's go back now. Now we want to unscrew that. This one. That was easy. Put through the new wheel. should be able to. There we go. Woo! Boom! I got this plastic thing. There we go, boys. There's the OEM steering wheel. Here is the product. So now I'm here installing the new steering wheel. This is carbon fiber. Look at this. We put everything back together. Everything look good. All right, let's go inside. So here we go, I got it installed already. It looks very nice, fit very good. So now we just need to reconnect the battery and then see how it works. Hopefully everything works smooth. Guys, this is the first driving after I'm installing the new steering wheel. Oh, just wanna do some testing. It feels really good, nice, a little bit chunky, you know, but perfect size. It feels so good. It gives so modern look, you know. So well done, Jalisco Carbon Fiber. I love the product. Woohoo! Alright guys, here we go. So I already finished install the steering wheel, as you can see. Okay. It's look really good. The color combo, I love it. With the thumb grip, it's perfect. And the installation wasn't bad. It only took like 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please like, subscribe, and leave the comment below. Thank you guys for watching. See you into the next one. Peace.